Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my mechanical software support. In this new tutorial I am going to discuss freeform tool and surfaces inside SolidWorks with you people. Let me show how can we use and where we needed to use this command, the freeform tool inside SolidWorks surfaces. So basically we are using this command whenever we need to deform a planar surface. Let me show how. First of all, let me create a planar surface and choose a proper plane, make it normal and draw a rectangle like this. Say OK. Now come to surfaces, come to planar surface. Now see, I have created this planar surface and just confirm it. Right now what I can do, just come to freeform tool and here I will select the face that I wanted to be deformed with me. Now see, it is converted into multiple number of rectangles. Now scroll down, click here on control polygon and just click on add curves. Now see, right now I am adding curves in this direction. If you click on flip direction, now see, so right now I will choose this direction and I wanted to add curves over here. I will just click here. Now see, green line added. Now I will just click on escape button. Now come again on this line and just click on this line. Now see, the line is divided into 2 points. Now if you want, you can add another points. Just click on add points and click on this line. Right now I am just adding 2 points. Now let me show in proper orientation. Now see, now I'll just drag these points. See, I have dragged this point up to a certain limit and my planar surface is deformed like in this shape. Again let me show in that orientation and just drag this point also. See how it gets deformed. So hopefully you understand where we needed to use the freeform tool, and you can either add multiple number of points and either you can add multiple number of curves, but this is just for simplicity understanding for you people to know where we need it and how can you use it. Once you know about the use, so after that you can either do whatever you want. And let me confirm it for now. If you want, you can assign some color. Come here, choose body and let me make some color for this, what suits. Let me assign this color for now. See, my surface was planar, but right now I have deformed the surface like this. Hopefully you understand. Make sure you have liked this video, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more interesting videos and projects. Thanks for watching.